Today it's another unboxing video. I bought another box of 25 pounds of wood from Amazon, and I want to show you what I got inside. And why do I keep buying these offcuts from Amazon? Well, I make a lot of small boxes, and if you're new to woodworking, you should make small boxes as well. Small boxes, it's a perfect way to learn woodworking. You can learn everything from cutting accurately to inlays, joinery, painting, finishing, and if you screw it up, you only mess up about $5 worth of wood. So, small boxes it is. I remember when I first started woodworking, one of my first projects was I made this desk for my daughter. And I was so nervous the whole time I built that desk that if I screw it up, I'm going to waste hundreds and hundreds of dollars. Now, luckily, my desk ended up okay, except the drawers are a little bit sticky because I didn't know how to install drawer slides at that time. So, you know, everything ended up okay. But if you're new to woodworking, make yourself some boxes. Even if you don't like making boxes and you have no use for them, boxes is a great way to learn. So let's start with opening this one. Now, I purchased from this seller many times, and I purchased other boxes of wood from other sellers on Amazon, and this one truly was the one that I liked it the most. As usual, they really tape this together, makes it hard to open. Maybe I need a little bit longer blade. Comes with a little piece of paper telling us what kind of wood we got here. So this is what it comes with. And let's see what kind of pieces we got. If there's anything we can use. First piece is a piece of teak. Then we have some Bacoda. We have some Spanish oak. This is a little thicker piece. We have some mango. We have more teak. Even more teak. I do like it when I include more of the same kind of wood in the box because then you can, have more pieces so you can do a whole project. Bacoda. More Spanish oak. We have some monkey pod. All right, we have some Goncalo Alves. This one has some nice colors in it. We have some Granadillo. More Granadillo. Another Bocade and Granadillo. Spanish oak. This is a pretty chunky piece. Costa Rican mahogany. More mango. This one has some nice grain marks through it. Monkey pod. That would make a beautiful lid to a box. Let's see what else. I have another Bocade. Monkey pod. Another Granadillo. Look at the colors on this one. It's gonna look so pretty once you add finish to it, like an oil-based finish. We have Costa Rican mahogany. More mango. This mango is beautiful. I don't know if you can see if it picks up on camera, but the grain on it. All right. Costa Rican mahogany. By the way, this is not sponsored. I bought this with my own money. Costa Rican mahogany. More thick. Another Costa Rican mahogany. Bocata. I don't know if I pronounced that wrong. I apologize if I butchered the names. Mango. This mango is beautiful as well. Look at the grain on that one. All right. And then one larger piece of Goncalo Alves. This one feels very heavy. It's very dense. You might notice that the box I have in the thumbnail is different than the box that I actually opened. And that's because I opened the box from the thumbnail and filmed it. And honestly, I was disappointed with that one, with what I got. So switch it up, different box and different wood. Well, that's pretty much all of it. Happy with every single piece that I received. This time I'll have to say all of them were pretty thin. There are some that are, over 1 inch thick. Like, let's see. But in the past, I got some pieces that were like, 2-3 inches thick. This one, it's about 1 1/4. And I think there are a couple of pieces like this. There's another one here that is thicker. This one is 2 inches. But everything else looks to be kind of about 1 inch, 1.25 inches. I hope this will inspire you to make some small boxes. I know I will be making some. And if you don't want to miss my future videos, please consider subscribing and clicking that bell notification button. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Skylar Ewing, and I'll see you in my next video.